हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल वसीम एकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं ईवीएस इन्वायरमेंटल स्टडीज़ के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, जो कि पहले वीडियो में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पेश किए गए थे। आज हम लोग देखते हैं वीडियो नंबर 2। क्वेश्चन है, नाउ डेज देयर आर डैश मिलियन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर डिटेक्टेड। ऑप्शन नंबर 1 5, ऑप्शन नंबर बी 15, ऑप्शन नंबर सी 30 और ऑप्शन नंबर डी 50। तो फ्रेंड्स, इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी 50। नेक्स्ट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल आर डिक्रीजिंग रैपिडली। व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल्स आर डिक्रीजिंग रैपिडली। फिश, बर्ड्स, रेप्टाइल्स और मैमल्स। तो राइट आंसर होगा बर्ड्स। डे बाय डे बर्ड्स आर डिक्रीजिंग। नेक्स्ट, the populations of the world is approximately. Option number 1 300 crore, option number B 600 crore, option number C 900 crore and option number D 1200 crore. So here right answer is option number B 600 crore. The under mentioned gases are responsible for acid rain. Option number 1 SO2 NO2, option number B CO2 O2, option number C H2 CS2, ऑप्शन नंबर डी N2HE। तो फ्रेंड्स, राइट आंसर होगा SO2 and NO2, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाइट्रोस ऑक्साइड। नेक्स्ट, अब मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस का जो राइट आंसर होगा उसी को मैं मेंशन करूंगा। नेक्स्ट, द नेम ऑफ द मैन मेड इन्वायरमेंट इज। द नेम ऑफ मैन मेड इन्वायरमेंट इज टेक्नोस्फेयर। टेक्नोस्फेयर where the manners exist. Next question, the scientific name of humans. The scientific name of humans is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens. Next question, biotic components of environment is. Biotic component of environment is. The right answer is plants and animals. Plants and animals are biotic components. Next, first life in this world was. First life in this world was bacteria. Bacteria. Next questions, bacteria populations is double in. Bacteria population is double in every 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes the populations of the bacteria are increasing. It will be become doubled. Next questions, emissions of dash gases from waste causes air and smell pollution. The right answer is H2S. The Himalaya was created approximately. The Himalaya was created approximately is about 50-100 million years ago. 50-100 million years ago. Next is hydrosphere of environment is formed. Hydrosphere of environment is formed by water. Hydrosphere, that means water. Next is the height of atmosphere from the surface of the earth is. The height of atmosphere from the surface of the earth is, it is about 1600 kilometer. 1600 kilometer. Next is, which of the following is a non-living organ? Which of the following is a non-living organ? Here is water. Water is non-living organisms. Next question is, which of the following is an example of man-made disaster? Which of the following is an example of man-made disaster? The right answer is Bhopal gas tragedy. Bhopal gas tragedy, which is broke out in 1984. Next question is, what is the full name of MIC? What is the full name of MIC? Methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate. Next is, which gas is responsible for Bhopal gas tragedy? MIC. That is the short name of methyl isocyanate. Next question is, when did Chernobyl disaster take place? When did Chernobyl disaster take place? It was happened in the 26th April of the 1986 in Ukraine, in Russia. 26th April 1986. Next is that, which year was Minamata disease first seen in? Which year was Minamata disease first seen in? Here right answer is option number B 1955 in Japan. What is first established species called in the desolated place? It is pioneer. What is the first established species called in a desolated place? It is pioneer. Next is what the whirling in Western Pacific Ocean is called. What the whirling in Western Pacific Ocean is called? Typhoon. It is called typhoon. Next is which of the following is an active volcano? Which of the following is an active volcano? It is India's active volcano is Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next is which of the following is a latent volcano? Which of the following is a latent? It is dormant volcano in the world is Etna, Mount Etna. Next is when when was the first organism generated in the earth? When was the first organism generated in the earth? It is the two 250 250 sorry 250 100 million years ago. 250 100 million year ago. Next, what the elements emitted during the volcano eruptions is called? What the elements emitted during volcanic eruption is called? It is called magma. What was the first regions when the earth was created? It is Pangea. Here spelling is wrong. Pangea. What are the first regions when the earth was created? It is called the Pangea. Next, in a lifeless region, the expansion of the plants and animals is called. In a lifeless regions of the expansion of the plants and animals is called succession. Earthquake take place in an hour in the whole world are 100 times. Earthquake take place in an hour in the whole world are 100 times. The earthquake in Gujarat occurred in the year of 2001, 26 January 2001. Both loss and gain happen in a natural disaster, volcanic eruptions. The earthquake in Nepal occurred in 2015. What the whirling in the Indian Ocean is called? It is called cyclone. What the whirlwind in the Indian Ocean is called? Cyclone. What the whirling in the North Atlantic Ocean, it is called hurricane. What the whirling in the North Atlantic Ocean, it is called hurricane. Next is environmental hazard associated with the earthquake cyclone, it is called rainfall. The environmental hazard associated with the earthquake cyclone, it is called rainfall. How many principal underground plates are there? Next is how many principal underground places are there? It is called 6. How many minor ground plates are there in earth? How many minor underground plates? It is 20. The center of the earthquake, it is called focus. The center of the earthquake, it is called the focus. What is the average temperature of the earth's surface? It is about 15 degrees Celsius. What is the average temperature of the earth's surface? Is 15 degrees Celsius. During the last 50 years, amount of the CO2 has been increased 25%. During the last 50 years, amount of CO2 has been increased by 25%. First experiential atomic explosion in India took place in Pokhran in Rajasthan in 1998. Who is called the Missile Man of India? Who is called the Missile Man of India? APJ Abul Kalam. What is the name of the destructive storm in Odisha's coastal? It is called super cyclone. It is called super cyclone. Next, what kind of substance air is? Air is complex matter. What is the percentage of total sunshine does come to use? Only 1% we are used. What is the lithosphere? Lithosphere, hard upper crust of the earth's surface. Lithosphere is hard upper crust of the surface. Where the xerophyte plants seen in deserts region? We can see xerophyte plants in deserts region. Average rainfall of India is about 100 centimeter. What is the ancient continent? It is called Gondwana land. Okay, Gondwana nahi, Gondwana land. Where was the first trace of life found in water in the form of bacteria? What is the following water of river is called Lotic? Following river water is called Lotic. Atlantic stagnant water. Atlantic is called stagnant water. What is the percentage of albedo in 34%? Percentage of albedo on earth is 34%. Meaning of green revolutions, it is called about the agriculture. In which category human beings are included? Human beings are primates. What is troposphere? Troposphere, it is called the upper limit of the troposphere. Sorry, tropopause, it is called the upper limit of the troposphere. What is tribe? Is Diphothenesis. It is apes, look like a apes or chimpanzee. What species hominoid is? Hominoid is humans. Who wrote the book The Origin of Species? Darwin, Charles Darwin. Who originated Gaia hypothesis? Gaia hypothesis, James Lovelock. Who originate the theory of catastrophism? It is Cuvier. Who discovered the fossil of Homo habilis species? Louis Leakey. What is the cumulonimbus? Cumulonimbus. It is called about the clouds and water. What is the instrument of the measuring air pressure? Is barometer. What is the rate of the movement of the continental plates? 75 millimeter per year are discrete. What is the daily thermal expansion of the water at sea level? It is only 1 degree Celsius. In which biome pine is born? In tundra biome, tundra regions, North Pole. Which biome does performed belong to? Tundra biome. Or permafrost. It is here is permafrost, pomfit. Percentage of active solar energy. It is 66%. It is about 66%. Okay, friends. Next we proceed. Next video I will provide. Thank you, friends. Thanks. Please share and subscribe my channel. And any comment, please connect me. Thanks.